Chapter 6. Clothes we wear. In ancient time, man used to cover his body with leaves, barks of trees and animal skins. Over the ages, man has learned the methods of weaving and stitching clothes. Man has found different sources of fibers such as cotton, silk, wool for making clothes. Nowadays, man can manufacture synthetic fibers for clothing. We have come a long way. Clothes are not just a necessity, but now we dress up to look good and stylish. People wear different kinds of clothes at different occasions, places and work. Need for clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, dust, insect bites, rain and cold. We need clothes because clothes cover our body. Clothes protect us from getting tan due to sunlight. Clothes absorb sweat of our body and keep us cool. Clothes protect us from being dirty. Clothes, like raincoats, keep us dry during the rainy days. Clothes, like woolen clothes, keep the warmth of our body trapped in them and protect us from getting cold in winter season. Clothes cover our body and leave very less body parts exposed. This saves us from the bites of insects, like mosquitoes. Materials for clothes. Different materials of fibers are used to make different types of clothes. Fibers are long and thin threads that are either woven or knitted into a fabric. Then, the fabric made is used for making clothes. Fibers are of two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Let's learn more about them. Natural fibers. Fibers obtained from either plants or animals are known as natural fibers. They are of two types. Fibers of plant origin. Examples are cotton, jute, linen. Fibers of animals origin. Examples are silk, wool, fur. We get silk from silkworm, wool from fleece of sheep and fur from animals like rabbit. The fibers are spun and woven to make clothes, which are further stitched to make dresses. Synthetic fibers. Artificially made fibers are prepared artificially by man and are known as man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Some examples are nylon and polymer. Synthetic clothes are lightweight, stretchable, strong and wrinkle-free. They dry faster. They do not absorb sweat. They catch fire very easily. Types of clothes. Depending on the season, we wear different kinds of clothes. In India, we have three main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes of light color. Cotton clothes absorb our sweat and light-colored clothes reflect back the sunlight. Thereby, cotton clothes keep us cool in summer. In winter season, we prefer to wear dark-colored woolen clothes. The thick fibers of woolen clothes keep the air entrapped. The air does not allow body heat to escape in the surroundings. Thereby, woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. Dark-colored clothes absorb the sunlight. This keeps us warm. In monsoon, we wear raincoats and gumboots. They are made from waterproof synthetic materials that also dry easily. National dresses. People of different states in India wear different types of dresses. The type of clothes depend on the climate conditions and traditions of the state. Indian traditional dresses. Kashmiri dress, Punjabi dress, Sikki Mese dress, Rajasthani dress, Naga dress, Gujarati dress, Bengali dress, Uttar Pradesh dress, Marathi dress, Kerala dress. Uniforms. Do you wear uniform at school? Many people wear a particular kind of dress during their work. This dress is their uniform. These people are recognized easily by their uniforms. Uniforms are made depending on the nature of the work. For example, soldiers and policemen wear uniforms made from tough materials, the color and pattern of which help them to camouflage with the surroundings, thereby protecting them from enemies. Doctors wear white coat and lawyers wear black coat. Every country has its own defense forces, army, navy and air force. They have uniforms of different colors and styles. They wear different badges. You can know their thanks and decorations received by looking at their uniforms. Uniforms: Air Force officer, Navy officer, police officer, doctor, waiter, lawyer, factory worker. Care of clothes. Clothes become dirty because of dust and sweat. They need to be cleaned, as dirty clothes make us look untidy. The following steps should be taken to make the clothes last longer and look better. We should wash clothes with mild washing soap or detergent. This removes germs, dirt, sweat and stains. We should dry clothes in sunlight so that all germs are killed. We should clean clothes made of silk and wool with extra care. They are usually dry cleaned.